For almost 20 years, Continental Buslines LLC has made your safety our number one priority. It's a cornerstone of our 5-star commitment to you. From daily service and maintenance on our coaches to pre-destination checks and strict requirements for our drivers, we have taken every precaution for you. We have always taken great pride in helping to bring people together. And as travel resumes across the country, we remain committed to providing a clean, safe environment for your ride with us. We are in an unprecedented era in which the health of our passengers and employees is of critical importance. So we are raising our standards even higher to ensure your safety. So how are we doing that? Well, we're keeping up to date with the very latest guidelines from the CDC and the World Health Organization, as well as health officials in our home state of Texas. We have always been scrupulous about keeping our fleet clean. Now, we are taking even more steps to ensure your environment is as safe as possible when you ride with us. All of our coaches go through an additional daily disinfecting and sanitizing procedure using 360-degree electrostatic spraying technology provided by Victory Innovations. Our cordless sprayers use vinyl oxide, a hospital-grade solution recommended by the CDC and approved by the EPA. This broad-spectrum disinfectant and multi-purpose cleaner kills viruses, bacteria, and mold. We sanitize every surface you come into contact with during your ride, including entry handrails, overhead bins, seats, headrests, armrests, seat belts, cup holders, windowsills, door handles, restrooms, and baggage door handles both inside and outside the vehicle. The air quality inside your coach is very important to us. Our coaches bring fresh air into the cabin every 10 minutes. That's 6 times an hour. It's also filtered every 2 minutes through our circulation system. Thanks to engineering from our bus manufacturer, we use MERV 11 air filters and UV lights in our air conditioning system. They virtually eliminate viruses, bacteria, and mold throughout the system to give you an extra layer of protection. Our filters are changed regularly to ensure peak performance. All of our drivers are required to wear face masks and to limit contact with customers during the charter. Before your trip, we recommend you review the most recent travel guidelines posted on the CDC and World Health Organization websites. Do not travel if you or anyone traveling with you is ill. And remember to frequently wash your hands and use hand sanitizer. We want your next trip with Continental Buslines LLC to be safe as well as special. We're working hard to protect your health and give you peace of mind on your trip. All of us at Continental Buslines LLC look forward to seeing you soon.